Hello everybody, and yeah, finally I get to 10,000 subscribers, which is really awesome. And having this in mind that 10,000 people are interested into stuff which I do on this channel is really insane. Because 8 years ago, when I started to put some videos on YouTube, I was not thinking that the YouTube would be some part of my life. And yes, today I reached 10,000 subscribers, which is really awesome. And for this reason, I need to say huge thank you for you guys, for all your subscription and for all the support which I get. But I know that I need to improve my channel even further to get even better content and so on. Because 8 years ago, when I started to make some videos for YouTube, then my English was not so good. Actually, my English was really bad. But I improved the English over the time. I mean, right now, at this moment, my English is still not perfect, but it's way better like in the beginning. Also, the video quality in the beginning was also not so good, because I make videos when the background music was too loud, my English was bad, and so on. But over the time, I improved my channel. But I know that I need to continue my work on this channel, because there are so many things that I still need to make, which I want to share with you. And I know that 10,000 subscribers is some small piece to something bigger. So guys, again, really huge thank you for all your support. That's it, and we see us in the next video. Bye.